Alpha TV. Today, my guest, Mr. Saifur Rahman, CEO, B4U Group of Companies. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you very much.
My first question is this, sir. B4U company and B4U group and your introduction. B4U.
Okay, first of all, I introduce myself and then I introduce about B4U. My name is Saifur Rahman Khan. I born at Miyawali, 5 November 1968. And last more than 25 years, I'm doing traveling and doing international business, Middle East country, European country, African countries. And now we based in Malaysia and we are running B4U group of companies. B4U actually since 2017 we introduced one company that called Bitcoin4U.my. Why we call B4U? Actually, I wish to give people, each people have Bitcoin because people before they don't know about the crypto. And the 2017 when the Bitcoin boom and the prediction is the Bitcoin reach about 10,000 and it's reached 20,000. Then people know about the crypto and they realize the Bitcoin is a real, Bitcoin is a genuine. Some platform is not genuine, so we wish to give each person Bitcoin. That's why we registered our company and first our website Bitcoin4U.my, Bitcoin4U.pk and Bitcoin4U.it. And in that company we learn so many things and we know about more crypto and the related things. Then we do the different companies. Almost we have more than 10 companies. We are dealing in crypto, we are dealing in exchange, we have our own e-wallet. We have our own ATM machine, so this become a group. And same thing, we bring some different companies in Pakistan because Pakistan is not regulated about the Bitcoin. Pakistan government not allowed to do the digital businesses, so we more focus here about the physical business. So our first physical business is in Pakistan is a Bravo Cab Service. Second, our physical business is Future Property. Third, our physical business is Revolt Motorcycle. Fourth, our physical business is Alpha Advertisement. Fifth, we are under process about the Varias Leasing Company. And sixth is Microfinance Bank. That is our big chance to bring good opportunity for the Pakistani people. So that's why we call B4U group of companies.
Why new product-based company in Pakistan?
Why we bring new company in Pakistan? Actually, we are doing business in Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, Spain, Azerbaijan, Japan. Each country have different rules regulation. What's our motive? Our motive is we are not website. Some companies they are doing business only on website. We are doing businesses physically. I as a owner, as a CEO, as a founder, I introduce myself. I am in public. I am in easy to accessible. Why we are easy to accessible? We don't want people cheat them because the scammer companies their directions is Asian countries. Why they come to Asian countries? Because our Asian country, the people's education rate is very low. They don't have basic knowledge. They don't have basic awareness. And people come and they give them hope, you can do this one, you can get that one, and that is only hope. They don't get anything and they make them cheat them, they scam them, and then they will lose their dignity, they lost their respect, they lost their money. So we bring here new physical business. Why we introduce this company? We introduced new company in Pakistan because Pakistani government not allowed to do the crypto, Pakistani government not allowed to collect cash from anyone. But I will explain you all my viewers, all my users. Those are since with us 2017, all over the world. At the current position, we have 10 countries, our own setup. Own setup means our company offices, not people offices. Why we say our own company offices? Because we want to follow that country rules regulation. What we do, when we have more than 1,000 users, we go there, that country, we registered our company, We open bank accounts, we collect cash or digital currency, and we give them profit to them in their currency. We are basically ROI company, return on investment. You can say we can give the dividend, we can say we give them the profit. And in Pakistan, due to the government rules regulation, we are not allowed to do any kind of activities. So we introduce one company that called product-based company. That is a direct selling association requirement, that is government requirement. And we are giving, for example, like we have 6 packages, $50. If you invest $50, we can give you some website. If you invest $700, we can give you some insurance. If you give us $3,000, we give you some other languages courses. And if you invest 10,000, 50, 30,000 or above, we are giving you the property. So why we introduce this company? Because this is physical business. If physical business and product-based company. In that kind of company, MLM company, if you give money, you get the product, the deal is closed. Meaning you give us $50, you get one website, your chapter is closed. If you give us $700, we give you the insurance, health card, and that will be for 6 months or 1 year, the chapter is closed. But we are based on investment company that is forever. I alive or not alive, I dead, whatever happened to me, this company is forever. We are not one-man show. We have management, we have system, more than 10 countries. We have user more than 28 countries. And inshallah, we are grow day by day. People trust us, and those people since with us 2017. So many countries we making millionaire, and this is our target. We make millionaire all over the world. So the people, don't be panic, because this company only for Pakistan, not for other country. Because since yesterday we are introducing in Facebook, and there's some people from Pakistan, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, they calling me, boss, what happened? Company going to close, company collect enough money, and now they are going to, they don't want to give profit, or they are going to close. That is not true. The truth is we are giving you the profit ROI forever, because this is our commitment. And since 2017 till now we are giving. So inshallah we are giving. And some country, different state have different rule regulation. For example, last time we have a company office and account in Jakarta. Jakarta rule regulation is different. And last week we opened Bravo Global company in Makassar. Their rule regulation is different. Tamur is different. So each country have different province, different state, different rule regulation. So we follow the government rules, we follow the rules regulation. We don't want to do hanky-panky business. And when we do the real business and we follow the government rules regulation, so that is only for that country, not for all over the world. Hope the people understand and they can work on B5U trades. B5 Business Live for you.com is only for Pakistan, not for other countries. Hope all people can understand.
Why B for Foundation?
What is B5U Foundation? Actually, when we do group of companies and we are making money, people making millionaire, become millionaire, and we do B5U Foundation. Why we do the B5U Foundation? In Malaysia, we registered B5U community, that we do the charity work in Malaysia, and we registered also B5U Foundation in Pakistan, because our motive is Deen and Dunya. You want to earn Dunya or you want to earn Deen, you can get from the B5U platform. Because being a Muslim and being a Muslim, each people have motive to go to Jannah. So when we plan to go to Jannah, we have to do some charity, we have to take care of poor people. So we register our B5U Foundation, and we recommend our members, those are earning in a weekly base $1,000, monthly base a lot of money. So we recommend them, they donate even 50 cents or $1. Maybe that $1 is nothing for them, but that $1 change some people's life, because we are collecting donations from our members. We are not collecting donations from the other people. Those are our members. Like we have more than 28 countries, more than 60,000 users. So when they donate, and we use this money for the water treatment plant, we use this money for masjid, we use this money for school, education, old age benefit houses, then this money we're using for orphan houses. So we are helping community. If any country have any disaster, like last month is in Spain, now in Azad Kashmir. So wherever any disasters, our NGOs, our members, volunteers, they support them and we help them. So we give small contribution to make their life after their death, they will get some reward from Allah.
Message for Alpha TV, Alpha fans, Alpha groups.
Okay, first of all, I'm thanks to Alpha TV and I will suggest all my users worldwide, I recommend them, they will subscribe Alpha TV channel and they promote Alpha TV channel because Alpha TV is part of B5U group of companies. This year we are testing phase, next year we become web channel and we have a plan this year, next year inshallah this Alpha TV channel become satellite channel. So those our active members, those are our leaders worldwide. They are very active and they are very energetic and they are focusing not only for business, they are focusing for social activities, social media activities. So they become part of our Alpha TV channel. They become as a reporter, as a cameraman, as a bureau chief, and they send us their activities, their news, anything, and we can promote them and introduce them our channel, and they will enjoy it, and they will introduce their personal business plus our TV channel. So hope you will enjoy with the Alpha TV channel, and Alpha TV channel make change in your life.
Bundle of thanks, sir.
Thank you very much.